rocking the road trip windshield. Look at all the bugs. Can you see out of the windshield, Ben?
Yes.
And look at all the flat.
Ooh, everybody's doing it. They're getting off. Welcome to colorful Colorado.
Ben told me I should film this, and it is cool.
It's just like rock outcrops, and we just went down into like a valley.
Yeah, a little bowl. Oh, you know, they say Denver's a bowl in a bowl. Maybe that's what they mean. Is that there's this drop. So there's a lot of haze up there. Do you think those are the mountains?
No. We're getting pretty close to where we should be able to see it.